Hey guys, today I have with me the Redmi 10 Prime. The smartphone offers a 6.5-inch IPS LCD display having a pixel density of 405 ppi and a refresh rate of 90 Hz. Redmi 10 Prime has a bezel-less punch-hole display with Corning Gorilla Glass V3 protection. On the right spine, you will find the volume rocker and power button. The power button also works as a fingerprint sensor. On the other side, the phone has a SIM tray. On top, there is a secondary microphone, IR blaster, 3.5mm jack and a speaker grill. The bottom of the phone features a USB Type-C port and a speaker grill. Redmi 10 Prime comes with a quad camera setup with Redmi branding at the bottom. So that's all as far as the design is concerned. Now, let's get into the details about the internals. Redmi 10 Prime comes with a MediaTek Helio G88 chipset with 12nm fabrication. For multitasking, you will get 4GB of RAM and the internal capacity of the smartphone is 64GB, which can be further expanded up to 512GB. Redmi 10 Prime offers a 6000 mAh battery powered by an 18-watt fast charging facility. Coming to the camera specs, the phone features a 50-megapixel quad camera setup and includes a 50-megapixel primary camera supported by an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, a 2-megapixel macro camera, and a 2-megapixel depth camera. Also, the phone offers an 8-megapixel front camera. The software version of Redmi 10 Prime is Android 11 with MIUI. So guys, that's it for Redmi 10 Prime. Thank you so much for watching this video.